Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm giving you an honest review of the Gemini credit card in 2025. I'll break down the pros, cons, so you can decide if it's worth applying or not. And for now, let's get started. Pros. Number one, we have no annual fee. This card doesn't charge you just to keep it open, making it budget friendly. MasterCard network. You can use it almost anywhere in the world, both in store and online. Modern app experience. The Gemini app makes it easy to track spending, set alerts, and manage your card right from your phone. Security features. You get MasterCard's built in protections like zero liability on fraud, the ability to lock and unlock your card instantly, and real time notifications. Physical plus digital card. You will get a sleek physical card, and you can also add it to Apple Pay or Google Pay for tap to pay convenience. Cons. No premium travel perks. Unlike some cards, there is no free airport lounge access, no travel insurance, and no baggage protection. Not the best for everyday rewards. Other cashback or rewards cards often give you more straightforward value. Customer service complaints. Some users report slow response times when dealing with billing disputes or support questions. Limited international benefits. While it works globally, it doesn't come with perks like no foreign transaction fees or concierge services. Conclusion. So, is the Gemini credit card in 2025 worth it? If you want a no annual fee card with solid security and a smooth digital experience, it's a good option. But if you are looking for strong rewards or premium perks, you'll probably find better value with other cards. And that's my honest breakdown, and I hope this video is useful to you all, guys. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.